McDonald's is now WcDonalds. So, we got the new sauces here, the new WcDonald's sauce. And, we got the chicken nuggets here. So apparently this is supposed to be like a chili sauce. Team, the package is finally here. Assembled is what it says on here. The legends are true. It's the sauce of destiny. McDonald's sauce. Grab the McNuggets. It is as bold as true love. Its spice is so tender, yet brings me tears of joy. That sauce is pretty good, actually. Let's try some fries with the sauce. See if those taste good with the fries. Yep, sauce is pretty good. I'd give that sauce a 7 out of 10. McDonald's experience, 8 out of 10. Peace. Or WcDonald's. Maybe it's not McDonald's, it's WcDonald's. Anyway, peace.